Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying requirements. Make sure your laptop runs Windows 10/11 64-bit or Chrome OS with Android support, and that you have a Google account. Next, enable virtualization in BIOS or UEFI. This makes emulators fast and stable. Once done, free up 20 to 30 GB for the virtual device and install any system updates. Now choose the installation path. Chrome OS users enable Play Store in Settings. Windows users prepare to install an Android emulator, such as an Android virtual device. You now install and configure the environment. If on Windows, install an emulator like Android Studio AVD or a lightweight alternative. Pick an x86 image for best performance. Create a virtual device with 2 or more CPU cores and at least 4 GB RAM and assign 20-30 GB storage. For Chrome OS, turn on Play Store and update Android apps. Once the virtual device boots, sign into Google Play, update Play services, and accept app permissions so downloads and notifications work correctly. You finish by installing apps. Open Play Store, search, and tap Install. Make sure updates install automatically or manually manage them. Fine-tune performance by adjusting emulator CPU, GPU acceleration, resolution, and network mode. This reduces lag. If an app fails, clear Play Store cache, force stop and restart Google Play services, or remove and recreate the virtual device. Finally, make sure your Google account sync is on. If things still fail, check virtualization, drivers, and available disk space before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.